In this video, we're going to find out how to find the area of circles and sectors. So we know the area of a circle, A, is equal to pi r squared. So for example, if we have a radius of 6, our area is pi times 6 squared, which gives us 36 pi, and since we're working with area, the units are squared, so centimeters squared. Now a sector is kind of like a piece of the circle. So think about a sector as a piece of pizza. So maybe we have this yellow piece of pizza. It's got some broccoli on it maybe. And we want to know how much we have. Well, the area of a sector is the fraction that we have times the area of the whole thing. So the fraction that we have is still going to be the measure of that arc over 360 times the area, which is pi r squared. So here's our formula. And we can remember, break this down as the fraction of the circle that we have, how much out of 360 times the entire area. This might remind you of arc length. But remember, arc length was the fraction of the circle times the circumference. Now we have an entire circle, the entire area filled in, and we want to know how much of it do we have. So now we're working with area instead of arc length. So in this first example, we need to figure out the area of this greenish sector. So the area of this sector is how much we have. We have 72 degrees out of a total of 360 degrees times the area. Remember pi r squared, so pi times 15 squared. If we simplify this in terms of pi, we get 45 pi. Units are centimeters squared because we're working with area. Let's try one more example. In this case, it tells us we have our radius and we know it's a 45-degree arc. So our area of the sector is how much we have. We have 45 degrees out of the total circle, out of the total 360, which is a fraction of the area. So a fraction of 4 squared times pi. If we simplify the 45 over 36, we multiply by 4 squared, we get 2. So 2 pi inches squared is how much we have in our little piece of the circle.